Ooh. So what if I told you at the end of this video, you can give your bathroom that spa-like touch? If you're interested, keep watching. Hi, I'm Judy. Welcome back to my channel. And if you are new, welcome. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you how to achieve that perfectly rolled towel, giving your bathroom, your linen closet, or wherever your towels sit, that spa-like touch you've been dreaming of. So with that said, let's start rolling. Come on. Step 1, with your towel folded in half, lay it on a flat surface like so. So step 2, you're going to grab the top left corner of the towel and fold it over, bringing the fold over the center point. So you're going to fold it a little bit over, maybe about an inch or two. Step 3, you're going to take the bottom corner of the towel and you're going to overlap the fold you just did. Oh, can you see the rectangle? Actually, it kind of looks like a cannoli. I must be hungry. In order for the roll to come out neat, you have to pay attention to this next part. Step 4, you're going to pinch both sides of the towel at the same time, like so. You're going to lift it up and you're going to fold it with the bottom of the towel folding underneath, like so. Step 5, you're going to pull the top folded portion down a bit, just like this, so that it is shorter than the bottom fold. So what this ensures is that all the imperfections are inside the roll. Step 6, you're going to start rolling. So as you're rolling up, make sure you roll tightly. So you're almost clenching that beginning part of that roll so that as you're rolling up, everything is tightly inside the roll. And once you get to the top, you're going to tuck in that last piece in the middle like so, creating this beautiful roll. By the way, this is one of my favorite ways to roll a bath towel, and I've been using this technique everywhere. Step 1, with your towel folded in half, lay it on a flat surface with the unfolded part of the towel facing you. I know I said this before, but it's just part of the process. Step 2, take the bottom left corner of the folded towel and bring it to the top, creating a triangle. My second favorite shape. Step 3, flip it over and take the left and right sides and fold them towards the center, overlapping each other like so. So basically, take the left side, fold it in, take the right side, fold it in. Step 4, once you have this envelope shape, flip the towel over with the fold facing down. Step 5, now you start rolling. With a tight grip, roll up until you get to the peak or the highest point, which is the corner piece. Step 6, you're going to tuck the last piece into the closest pocket and you are done. This roll is a classic roll in my opinion, and once you get the hang of it, you will be a folding pro. So if you made it this far, go ahead and subscribe. And also, this next roll is the easiest one of them all, so definitely pay attention to this one. All right, let's continue rolling. So if rolling towels are your jam, this is the fastest and easiest roll of all. Step 1, with your towel open, like all the way open, lay your towel horizontally on a flat surface. Step 2, take the top left corner and fold it down, meeting the midpoint of the towel, creating a triangle on the left side, like so. Step 3, grab the top of the towel and fold it down, meeting the bottom portion, like so. So in step 4, you're going to flip it over, turn it vertically, and start your roll. Tightly roll it up, but as you're rolling, clean it up if you notice any gathering or bends in the towel. This is going to give you a tighter roll. Once you roll to the top, tuck in the last piece in the top pocket of the roll, and you're done. Again, this is my favorite roll because it's fast and easy. Let me know in the comment section below if it was fast and easy for you. So if you made it this far, congratulations. You've now mastered the art of rolling bath towels. With this newfound skill, your linen closet, your bathroom, or wherever your towels sit will be the picture of perfection. And now anyone who goes in there will feel like they're in a spa. I love a spa. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and also share this video with your friends and family. Anywho, thanks so much for joining me, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.